Everyone, welcome back. My name's Kendra. Today we have a lunch break yoga routine to help you when you've been stagnant in one area. Maybe you've been sitting all day or typing on a computer or talking to people or standing on your feet. Whatever your job requires you to do and you feel like you need a break, then this video is for you. You don't need to be in your yoga clothes. You don't even need a mat. You just need yourself and this video. So whenever you're ready, let's get started. To a standing position. If you have the option to take your shoes off, then take them off. If you don't, then completely fine, don't worry about it. Let the feet be comfortably hip-width apart, feeling the feet grounding on the mat. Arms are lengthening down towards your torso. Start to elongate the spine, crown of the head lengthening up towards the ceiling. Good. Soften the shoulders. Soften the neck. Taking a few deep, full breaths in and out through the nose. Good. Taking this time for you, letting go of any tasks that you were previously doing. Letting go of any tasks that you have to do after this. Give yourself permission to be completely present in this moment and taking this time for yourself. Exhale, release the chin down towards the chest. And then very slowly move the chin from left to right. Inhale, carry the neck back through center. Exhale, release the left ear towards the left shoulder. Lift the right arm away from the torso. Right arm moves towards the right. Keep the left ear moving towards the left shoulder. Turn the palm to face forward. Arm is still moving towards the right. You should feel a stretch in the right arm and the right side of the neck. Exhale, release the right arm down. Slowly move the chin down towards the chest. Inhale, roll the right ear towards the right shoulder. Slowly moving the left arm away from the body. Left arm moving towards the left. Turn the left palm to face forward. Thumb is pointing up towards the ceiling. Exhale, release the left arm down. Release the chin down towards the chest. Inhale, lengthen back through center. Neck is in a neutral position. Take the feet wider than hip width apart. So make sure you're not taking a very wide stance. You might not be in yoga clothes, so you don't want to go back to work with ripped pants. All 10 toes are pointing forward. Hands can rest on the hips. Now turn the toes to slightly point inward. So you have a pigeon toe in the feet. The legs are straight and strong. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, hinging from the hips. Start to move the torso all the way down towards the floor. Release the hands onto the floor. If they don't make it there, feel free to put your hands onto your desk or on a chair. Soften the back of the neck. Sit bones are inviting up towards the ceiling, so think of that motion in the pelvis. Grounding into both feet evenly. Let go of any holding in the neck. Good. Ground into the feet. Place the hands onto the hips, nice and slow. Inhale, lengthen up into standing. Clasp the hands behind your back, arms are nice and long. Inhale, lengthen the spine, opening up the chest. Begin to move the arms away from the sacrum. So I'll turn this way so that you can see. As you do this, keep grounding into the feet. Draw the navel in, low rib cage draws down. Shoulders are soft. Couple deep, full breaths. Keeping the arms where they are, turn the right toes towards the right. Left foot comes in at a 45-degree angle. Make sure that the feet are hip-width apart. Now square the hips. Maybe you stay right here, or as you exhale, hinging from the hips, let the torso lengthen forward over the right leg, pausing in a parallel spot with the upper body. Ground into the feet. Inhale, lengthen back up. Turn the right toes towards the left. Left toes turn all the way towards the left. Good. Right foot in at a 45-degree angle. Square your hips. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, hinging forward with the torso, pausing halfway. Gaze looking down towards the floor. Maybe you keep the hands resting on the sacrum, or the arms can lift up towards the ceiling, whatever feels best. Be mindful to not lock the knees or the elbows. Legs are straight. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, unclasp the hands. Turn the feet all the way to face forward. Inhale, arms parallel. Exhale, cross the right arm underneath the left. Bend the elbows, twist the forearms, palms come together. If this isn't available, take the hands on the front of the shoulders. Elbows lift slightly away from the top of the chest while the shoulders draw out and down. Keep grounding into the feet. Exhale, untwist the arms. Couple shoulder rolls back and then forward. Inhale, arms back up. Exhale, cross the left arm underneath the right, bending the elbows, twisting the forearms, palms come together, or the hands are resting on the front of the shoulders. Exhale, release the arms down. Roll the shoulders back and then forward, couple circles. Exhale, release. Awesome. Now get back to work before anybody notices that you've been gone. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.